Hello and thank you for calling the Auto Glass Helpline. Today we are going to show you guys, because I've gotten this question a couple times now, how to remount this mirror here, or reattach this mirror with the saddle bracket on it. You'll see a lot of people, if you've been in the glass industry any amount of time, you have seen these just pushed down as far as people can push them, and then they leave it, and then you just slide it right off of here. What you're going to need is a pair of specialty pliers. These are from Equalizer. They've got this blade. They're basically channel locks that have been modified. They got this blade on here, and that blade actually rests right here against the bottom of the mirror bracket. And then this little loop at the top is specifically for this style saddle bracket. See, it's got the shaft right there. You can use it on other ones as well. But what you're going to do, slide the mirror on there. You're going to rest the top of this blade on the bottom of the mirror bracket. This little indentation right here goes up on the top, and you are simply going to squeeze, and that pushes that down and locks it in place. So for the gentleman that asked me how to reattach it and where to get the pliers, I believe I did send you a link, but I will go ahead and link these pliers down in the description, so anybody who wants to pick up a set who doesn't have one can find them. I've punched in Equalizer mirror pliers and they come up with a couple of different versions, but this is the version that I have. It's been around for a long time. Actually, I met the guy who invented it. Super nice dude. Anyway, that is reattaching the Ford mirror with the saddle bracket with the Equalizer mirror pliers. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.